Myself as Veronica Saville from KK Nagar, and for many years I was having vision problem for the past nearly 22 years, from the age of 40 to 41, and I never knew that all along my right eye was going to fail me so badly. My left eye, I was having power, so I had already attended 2-3 eye hospitals previous to this, and of course I can't grumble. They did their job. They were tending on me and did their best and gave me power spectacles to wear and everything. But one thing I was told by them was that it was of no value doing operation on my right eye. The hospital that I attended previous to this, before I attended Dr. A.G. With the A.G. hospitals, the previous hospital that advised me to take care of my left eye, because the left eye was the only eye that I was depending on. And the right eye was almost like a dummy. It was of no value. Particularly one doctor told me, which I wouldn't like to mention names, it's not nice, but I'm telling you sincerely, that doctor told me, no value in you doing operation on this eye. It's almost a dummy, it's almost dead, so forget about it, and you can just wear plain glass like here with no power, only your left eye, take care of that I was advised. So this when I got this news, it was very, very sad. Very often I used to think to myself, what's happening to my eyes? Am I getting blind? I prayed to God many times in all my prayers. When I used to go to church, I prayed many times and asked God, one day you have to work a miracle on me, because you can live without one leg or one hand also, but eyesight is the vision of the world. You will be losing your eye. If you lose your eyesight, you are living in a world of darkness. I know that. So anyhow, God heard my prayers. A good friend who met me, told me, advised me, though you have gone to so many hospitals, why don't you go to A.G. hospital, where Dr. Kumara Raja is a very good doctor. He performs operations well, he has a very good hand for operations. Why don't you try? Both the doctors there, both husband and wife, are very good. You go there, good attention will be paid. Why can't you try? So I took the advice, and my family brought me there, my husband and daughter and all. And I met both the doctors. Both the doctors tested both my eyes and everything. And the doctor said, we can first perform the operation on your left eye, because that is most important. You're depending mainly on your left eye. So I give full restoration for that. He gave me guarantee. And as he told, he kept to his word. 100% vision was restored in my left eye. And then I asked him, what about the right eye, doctor? He said, I should not discourage you as a doctor. He said, there are many chances that if you do the operation, you will get back at least 20 to 30% of your vision, rather than to go blind in the eye. Because he said, he told me that there is a scar in the middle of my retina. To crown it, there's power in my eyes. Of course, you don't have pressure, he said. Then he told me, your cataract is covered fully. So there are so many complicated, and the nerves are very, very weak. So it will be a miracle after I perform the operation, and if you can see 20 to 30% of your vision you get back, think it's a miracle by God. He himself told me, and his wife, such a good lady, she herself told me, go ahead with the operation, don't draw back, she said. But we cannot guarantee you 100% vision on your right eye. You should not leave it like that, she said. It's cruel. You go ahead, and certain amount of vision you will get back, she said. So they gave me a lot of courage, both husband and wife, and I was very grateful in my heart. Just prayed to God, and I told them, okay, I'll get back after 2-3 months later. The first eye was operated. Doctor restored 100% vision of my eyes. But the left eye, I told him I'll come in 2-3 months later. I'll save the money and bring it and come. God has given me good children. My son sent the money, and I came now, and I did the operation on my right eye. And really, it was God. It was a miracle. God was by doctor's side, guiding him. I'm sure of that. I even told my husband, I told my daughter, I told my full family. I said, I thought I was going blind in my right eye. It was just, God used doctor as an instrument in his hand. And through his hands, he worked the miracle. Actually, to tell you the truth, doctor said 20 or 25-30% in. But actually, doctor has restored more than 50% of my vision. I am able, if I close this left eye, I can see very beautifully. It's only in the distance. Writing only is a little blurry. That is, I can't blame, because see, doctor told me point blank, he said, in the center of your retina, you will not have the clear vision due to the scar which was caused long back in the center. So that will be obstructing your vision, he said. Apart from that, around you will see everything beautifully, and that's just the thing what has happened. it was God. As I really very strongly feel that this doctor is gifted by God to give vision to the people. I will tell that to everybody, and anyone who come in contact with me, I will tell everyone to go to AG Hospital and put your faith and trust in God and in this doctor. He will never fail you. He'll do his best.
Okay.
So thank you both of you doctors very much. You all have given me, both husband and wife, have given me a lot of courage, and as you all told me, you all gave me so much of confidence. Confidently, I did the operation, and I had faith in my doctors, and they have given me, restored both my eyes very beautifully. My right eye is 50%, my left eye is 100%. Praise to God, and praise and thanks to God, and to both my doctors who are really wonderful people. I tell this to everybody, anywhere, whoever I meet. And another thing, last but not the least, I want to say is they are also blessed with a lovely staff working under them who are so sincere, they devote their lives to their duty. They're doing their duty very well and very caring and very kind to all the patients who go there. I have not known any of them to speak even a single rude word or anything. They are very polite, very kind and very attentive on the patients there. So doctor, I want you to know that you and your wife are blessed with with this boon that God had granted you all, this lovely gift of giving people eyesight, and you are blessed with a beautiful staff, a wonderful staff there. So I thank you all very much.